Hi, I'm Joe, and I want to show you the last part of this stormwater management program they have here in Oreland. Right over here at St. Philip's in the Fields Episcopal Church, Lorraine Avenue, and Oreland Mill Rd. Looks like they've got about half of it finished now. I'm just going to put the sod on it. That's really going to look cool. But this is where it's at. It all floods out here. It's next to the swamp and the golf course. It's pretty far away from the creek, though. That's what I needed. Just see this. It's a once-in-a-lifetime thing. Get a view of this place. Halfway finished. And this is the area it's supposed to collect stormwater until it's slowly released into the creek. Got all this filter paper out here now. And the pipes all laid out in here now. Real neat project, really cool. It'll take them a while longer to finish this, but it's halfway finished for the structure part of it now. We're at July 5th, 2010. It's good they can do these so fast. A couple weeks and they'll be all done this thing. This used to be a blacktop parking lot here. Now it's a construction site. They'll fix this up for the church again.